Pluto, a small, icy world, far, far away. This distant dwarf planet, with its frozen surface and mysterious atmosphere, has intrigued scientists and stargazers alike for decades. Discovered in 1930 by Clyde Tombaugh, Pluto was once considered our ninth planet. Its discovery marked a significant milestone in our understanding of the solar system. It's small, even smaller than our own moon. Despite its size, Pluto has a complex and varied surface, with mountains, valleys, and possibly even ice volcanoes. But Pluto has always held a special fascination for us. Maybe it's the distance, maybe it's the mystery. Its remote location and enigmatic nature have made it a subject of endless curiosity and speculation. Whatever the reason, Pluto beckons us to explore. The allure of the unknown drives us to send spacecraft across billions of miles to uncover its secrets. Pluto is in a region called the Kuiper Belt. This vast, distant area of our solar system is filled with icy bodies and remnants from its formation. This region is beyond Neptune. It's a frontier that holds many clues about the early solar system and the processes that shaped it. It's a realm of icy bodies and dwarf planets. These objects are like time capsules, preserving the conditions of the early solar system. Pluto is like a gatekeeper to this mysterious zone. Its position and characteristics make it a key to understanding the Kuiper Belt. It holds clues to the early solar system. By studying Pluto, we can learn about the building blocks of planets and the history of our cosmic neighborhood. Scientists are eager to unlock its secrets. They analyze data from telescopes and space missions to piece together the story of Pluto and the Kuiper Belt. Pluto's distance makes it difficult to study. Its remote location means that detailed observations are challenging and require advanced technology. We have learned a lot from telescopes. Ground-based and space telescopes have provided valuable insights into Pluto's composition and behavior. However, we need to get closer. To truly understand Pluto, we must send spacecraft to gather high-resolution data and images. We need to see it up close. Only then can we fully appreciate its complexity and the role it plays in our solar system. This is where space exploration comes in. Missions like New Horizons have provided unprecedented views and data, revolutionizing our understanding of Pluto. And this is where Elon Musk enters the picture. His vision for space exploration includes ambitious plans to explore the outer reaches of our solar system. He dares to dream big about space. With companies like SpaceX pushing the boundaries, the future of Pluto exploration looks promising and exciting. Pluto has captivated our imagination for decades. From the moment it was discovered in 1930 by Clyde Tombaugh, this distant world has intrigued scientists and stargazers alike. It's a distant world, shrouded in mystery. Located in the Kuiper Belt, far beyond Neptune, Pluto's icy surface and unique orbit set it apart from the other celestial bodies in our solar system. It's a place where we might find answers that could unlock secrets about the formation of our solar system and the processes that govern it. Answers to questions about our solar system. How did it come to be? What forces shaped its evolution? Pluto holds clues that could help us piece together this cosmic puzzle. Questions about the origins of life itself. Could the conditions on Pluto or its moons harbor the building blocks of life? These are the questions that drive astrobiologists to study this distant world. Some people thought Pluto was a planet. For 76 years, it held the title of the ninth planet in our solar system. Others argued it was too small. Its size and the discovery of similar objects in the Kuiper Belt led to debates about its classification. They said it was a dwarf planet. In 2006, the International Astronomical Union redefined the criteria for planethood, and Pluto was reclassified as a dwarf planet. This debate only fueled our curiosity. It sparked discussions and inspired a new generation of astronomers to explore the outer reaches of our solar system. It made us want to learn more about Pluto, to understand its composition, its atmosphere, and its potential for hosting life. Pluto is a reminder of the vastness of space. Its distant orbit and mysterious nature remind us of how much we have yet to discover. It shows us that there is still so much out there, so many worlds to explore, so many questions to answer, so much that we don't know. Each discovery about Pluto opens up new possibilities and new mysteries. This sense of wonder is what drives us to explore. It's the reason we send spacecraft to the farthest reaches of our solar system. It's what inspires us to reach for the stars, to push the boundaries of our knowledge and to seek out the unknown. Elon Musk is a man with a vision. He wants to make humanity a multi-planetary species. He believes we need to explore beyond Earth. He wants to ensure our survival. And he's putting his money where his mouth is. Musk founded SpaceX, his goal to revolutionize space travel. He wanted to make it more affordable. He wanted to make it more accessible. And he has made incredible progress. SpaceX has developed reusable rockets. This has significantly lowered the cost of spaceflight. They have sent cargo to the International Space Station. They have even sent astronauts into orbit. Musk's ambition knows no bounds. SpaceX is pushing the boundaries of space exploration. They are developing new technologies. They are challenging the status quo. They are making space travel possible for more people. One of SpaceX's most ambitious projects is Starship. This is a fully reusable spacecraft. It's designed for interplanetary travel. Starship could take humans to Mars one day. SpaceX is not just about rockets. They are also working on Starlink. This is a network of satellites. It's designed to provide global internet coverage. SpaceX is connecting the world in new ways. Section 5. The quest for truth. Musk's curiosity about Pluto. Elon Musk is not just interested in Mars. He's also fascinated by Pluto. He believes that Pluto holds secrets. Secrets that could change our understanding of the solar system. Musk has been vocal about his interest in Pluto. He has tweeted about it. He has talked about it in interviews. He even sent a Tesla Roadster towards Mars. Some speculate that the Roadster's final destination is actually Pluto. Musk's interest in Pluto is contagious. He has reignited public interest in this distant world. He has made us wonder what secrets Pluto might hold. Section 6. Unveiling the hidden truth. What NASA found. NASA has been studying Pluto for years. They sent the New Horizons spacecraft on a mission to Pluto. New Horizons flew by Pluto in 2015. It captured stunning images of the dwarf planet. It also collected valuable data. This data revealed something amazing. Pluto has water ice, lots of it. In fact, there may be more water on Pluto than on Earth. This discovery was a game changer. Water is essential for life as we know it. The discovery of water ice on Pluto raises intriguing possibilities. Could there be life on Pluto? Could this distant world be habitable? Section 7. Water on Pluto. A game changer. The discovery of water ice on Pluto is significant. It suggests that Pluto is more complex than we thought. It could have a subsurface ocean. This ocean could be home to microbial life. The presence of water also has implications for future space exploration. Water can be used for drinking. It can be split into hydrogen and oxygen. These elements can be used for rocket fuel. Pluto could become a refueling station for spacecraft. This could make it easier to explore the outer solar system. Pluto could be a stepping stone to other worlds. Section 8. The future of space exploration. Inspired by discovery. The discovery of water ice on Pluto is just the beginning. There is still so much more to learn about this distant world. We need to send more missions to Pluto. We need to study its surface and its atmosphere. Elon Musk and SpaceX are leading the charge. They are developing the technologies that will make it possible to return to Pluto. This time, we will stay longer. We will explore deeper. The future of space exploration is bright. With each new discovery, we are one step closer to understanding our place in the cosmos. We are one step closer to becoming a multi-planetary species. Section 9. Pluto, a stepping stone to the universe. Pluto, the distant and mysterious dwarf planet, has long fascinated scientists and space enthusiasts alike. Pluto is a reminder that there are still wonders to be discovered. Its icy plains, towering mountains, and vast canyons tell a story of a world that is both alien and familiar. It is a stepping stone to the vast universe beyond our own planet. As we gaze upon Pluto, we are reminded of the countless other celestial bodies waiting to be explored. We must continue to explore. The spirit of discovery drives us to push the boundaries of what we know and venture into the unknown. We must continue to ask questions. Every new piece of data, every new image, brings with it a multitude of questions that challenge our understanding of the cosmos. We must never lose our sense of wonder. The curiosity that compels a child to look up at the stars is the same force that propels our greatest scientific endeavors. The discoveries made on Pluto will shape the future of space exploration. Each revelation about its geology, atmosphere, and potential for harboring life adds a new chapter to our cosmic story. They will inspire new generations of scientists, engineers, and astronauts. The young minds of today, captivated by these discoveries, will become the pioneers of tomorrow. They will bring us closer to understanding the universe and our place within it. As we learn more about Pluto, we gain insights into the formation and evolution of our solar system. The quest to uncover the secrets of Pluto is a journey worth taking. It is a testament to human ingenuity and the relentless pursuit of knowledge. It is a journey that will lead us to new frontiers and new possibilities. The technology and techniques developed for Pluto missions will pave the way for future explorations. It is a journey that will inspire us all. As we reach for the stars, we are united in our quest to understand the universe and our place within it. Section 10. Keep looking up. As we continue to explore the universe, let us remember the lessons of Pluto. Let us remember the power of curiosity, the importance of perseverance, and the thrill of discovery. And let us never stop looking up at the stars, wondering what other secrets they hold.